Yes, if you were wondering why am I wearing two jackets, it was because hindi na siya kasha sa bag ko, so I wore it during the trip to the city. Please, Bobby.
Bobby is...
No, alam niyo na alis tayo. So dramatic.
Nagising na si Lola.
Mag-brush ka lang din.
Bumangon na.
Oo, tapos 20 yun lang yung plaza niya anak.
Saan ninyo library?
Sa tuloy niyo, Cebu City.
Sa city.
Ganda sa loob daw.
Yung wallet mo muna.
We're at SM Seaside. Hello guys! Here is the vlog. Ate Monica will cry. Minanifest. Cause hilaan niyo kung bakit. What?
Bukas ang harian namin dito. Tapos
Pala yung iPad.
Wag na lang pala.
Ayun, tikman mo yun.
Wag na! Uneven.
Ala ka. Ate Monica will cry. Now we're on our way to 7-Eleven with Ate Monica. As of now, she is crying. Because she and her boyfriend, which is my brother, will go LDR. Yeah, that will happen. Oh no, yan pala. Mawid pa kita. Nandun na lang kita matawid. There, oh.
Sasabit pa na sa Bleka.
Hindi ko alam guys gagawin ko. I don't know if I will comfort her will laugh. I'll just pat her in the back.
Saan? Pagkas may tao.
Ay, hindi nakita. Hindi nakita. On the way to the airport. We're finally going back to Legazpi, guys. Saan yung beach? Saan yung beach? Yeah, see you guys later at the airport.
done it all, had my day now.
Hello guys. I'm with the Spanish and to si Manong Driver. Wait, asa lang? Wait. Si Manong Driver guys. Thank you so much. So may fresh welcome party kasi ngayon sa university namin. And yeah, I'm one of the people nakakanta mamaya sa open mic. Super thank you. Inayusan niya ako guys. Kaya maganda ako today. Kinakabahan ako. Kinakabahan ako! Mamaya na lang, I will get back to you. Kaya pag nasa bio na kami. Pwede ko ba sabihin yung name ng... Oo naman. Yeah, pag nasa bio na kami. Yeah. Kabado na ako guys. Nandito na kami. Bye. Hi, bye. Tulo ng hair ko. Pwede. Kaya dapat na
Kaya bakit nahihirapan? Days, see realize the way you play with me like a child. Will you still love me?
I believe. Why? Dinner!
Yeah!
Hoy, sumama ka.